Open the liner by first unfastening straps and removing the front shell. Note, do not remove the air bulb from the liner. While seated, place your leg into the device. The lower leg should be kept at a 90-degree angle with the foot and ensure that no gap is in between the liner heel and the back of the device. Wrap liner securely around your foot and leg. Place front shell over your ankle, making sure that the air bulb is aligned with the opening. Fasten straps in the following order. Note, this sequence only applies to the high top version. First, fasten ankle strap, then foot strap, and then the calf strap. Tighten straps until snug and comfortable. Strap adjustments may be necessary with changes in lower limb volume. Inflate air chambers by pressing plus on the air bulb and deflate by pressing minus. Inflate or deflate until snug. Caution, do not overinflate. Before removing the device, deflate air chambers by pressing minus. Undo the straps in any order and attach the straps back to themselves. This will make it easier when fitting the device the next time and will prolong the life of the straps. Open the liner to lift your foot and lower leg out of the device.